The magnificent Earth, our home in the universe, welcome to a journey through the wonders of our beautiful planet, Earth. It is a place of incredible diversity, from towering mountains to vast oceans, lush rainforests to scorching deserts. In this essay, we will explore the many facets of Earth, from its geology and atmosphere to its abundant life forms and the delicate balance that sustains it all. Let us embark on this exploration of the magnificent planet we call home. 1. The blue planet, Earth, is often referred to as the blue planet because of its abundant water. Water covers approximately 71% of Earth's surface, forming vast oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. These bodies of water are not only vital for the survival of countless organisms but also shape the planet's climate and weather patterns. The interaction between the oceans and the atmosphere plays a crucial role in regulating temperature and maintaining a habitable environment. 2. The dynamic Earth. Beneath Earth's surface lies a dynamic and ever-changing world. The Earth's crust is divided into several tectonic plates, which slowly move and interact with one another. This movement gives rise to earthquakes, volcanic activity, and the formation of mountains. The Earth's interior is also home to a molten core, generating a magnetic field that protects us from harmful solar radiation. 3. Life on Earth. Earth is teeming with life, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals. The incredible diversity of species is a testament to the planet's ability to support life. Ecosystems, such as rainforests, grasslands, and coral reefs, provide habitats for a wide range of organisms and contribute to the overall health of the planet. The intricate web of interactions between species ensures the balance of nature and the survival of life on Earth. 4. Climate and weather. Earth's climate and weather patterns are influenced by various factors, including the tilt of the Earth's axis, the distribution of land and water, and the interactions between the atmosphere and the oceans. Climate refers to long-term weather patterns, while weather refers to short-term atmospheric conditions. The delicate balance of these factors shapes the diverse climates found across the planet. Ranging from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, from freezing polar regions to temperate zones. 5. Human impact. As the dominant species on Earth, humans have a significant impact on the planet's ecosystems and resources. Our activities, such as deforestation, pollution, and the burning of fossil fuels, contribute to climate change, habitat destruction, and the loss of biodiversity. It is crucial for us to recognize our responsibility to protect and preserve the Earth for future generations. Sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and the promotion of renewable energy sources are essential steps towards a more harmonious relationship with our planet. Earth, our home in the vast universe, is a place of awe-inspiring beauty and complexity. Its diverse ecosystems, geological wonders, and intricate web of life make it a truly remarkable planet. As inhabitants of Earth, it is our duty to appreciate, protect, and sustain this precious resource. Let us strive to be responsible stewards, making choices that promote the well-being of our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Together, we can continue to marvel at the wonders of Earth and nurture the incredible diversity that makes it so special.